Welcome back to yet another episode of the Vector Guide. In this episode, we're going to talk about the volume weighted average price, also known as Vwap. From day traders to big institutional players, the Vwap is widely used in technical analysis, and it's very effective in determining key points of support and resistance due to its ability to tell market players where there's a large amount of market liquidity taking place. The Vwap also serves as an excellent benchmarking tool, especially for traders in both the traditional stock market and the crypto market, because it allows investors to visually observe areas of importance in terms of price action, especially in the short term, and it is definitely a great indicator for day traders to use. In order to access the Vwap, we're going to go to the top of the menu bar under View and select Indicators. However, we can also access the Vwap tool by clicking this Indicators tab here and then select Add Indicator. We then search for Vwap under the search indicator here, but we can also see that it's one of the most commonly used trend indicators on the platform. So we can go ahead and click here and then add to our existing layout and then click OK. We can now see that our Vwap indicator has been plotted onto our chart. We can also use these magnifying glasses here to zoom in and out of our chart, or we could also press the plus or minus keys on our keyboard to do so. The Vwap takes into account the average price of a given crypto asset relative to the amount of volume traded at different price points. In other words, it takes into consideration the average price within a given period, determined by the amount of volume at each price point. This is the one-day chart for BTC USDT. However, for day traders in general, the ability to change the time interval to an even smaller time interval has proven to be super useful for executing trades using the Vwap. So let's go ahead and change the time interval to 15 minutes, for example. So all we need to do is go ahead and type the time interval directly onto our chart screen. So we'll go 15 in minutes, and there it pops up. We'll double click, and there we have it. Now let's go ahead and analyze this chart together. So we have different levels of support, for example. So we got a support level right here, right, where the price action lies below the Vwap, which could serve as our entry point. So around here, for example, or down here, for example. Then, as the price action moves above our Vwap trend line, we can see these breakouts here. These zones occur because of price jumps in a fast-moving market, which gives continuity to another Vwap trend line over here, where we can see our next point up top here, which will serve as our resistance. And this is where we can go ahead and input our sell order, for example, to exit out of the market. By double-clicking on our Vwap trend line, we can also change some parameters here. So we can change the calculation of our Vwap trend line. We can change the time interval from daily, weekly, monthly, and intraday. And we can also change the appearance. We can change the style of the line. So let's keep it the same in this case. We'll change the color to fuchsia, and we'll increase the thickness. We'll click apply and then OK. Earlier in this video, I also referred to using the Vwap for benchmarking. So if we go to the top of the menu bar, under Tools, we can select our Vwap analysis. Let's go ahead and adjust our screen. So we'll arrange all. And the Vwap analysis is actually where we can see the Vwap in terms of price progression over different time intervals, which again includes daily, weekly, and monthly, all updated in real time, so that we have a better sense of which price point market players are making their market entries and exits. Thanks again for watching this video on how to maximize your reading of the charts using the Vwap. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others, subscribe to our channel, and activate notifications to receive more useful content and trading tips when using the Vector platform. We'll see you on the other side.